Hello, this is Matt Hunzeker, the managing partner of the National Real Estate Law Group. This is another portion of our continuing series regarding short sales and related topics. Today's topic is, we're going to title Boots on the Ground, and it has to do with the necessity for having real estate agents and realtors who have been certified as such involved in your transaction. There's no substitute for having boots on the ground. Now, there's been a proliferation of alternative websites, Zillow, Trulia being amongst the major ones. I urge you, all of you that are watching this video, to go to Realtor.com, which has recently agreed to some new provisions that make it much more consumer friendly. And I want to give you some reasons why I've come to the conclusion that realtors are an integral part of any real estate transaction. The first thing that I've noticed over the I'm going to say the last 10 years is that while our consumers have become much more informed via the internet, a little bit of knowledge becomes a very dangerous thing. And for example, I've often seen very tech-savvy purchasers and sellers who've done wonderful amounts of homework and are extremely well-informed regarding their dream homes, and have done a lot of internet searches. In fact, several recent publications have pointed out that 9 out of 10 sales begin on the internet, independent of any use of the realtor. That's all wonderfully efficient for the marketplace, and I'm all in favor of that. But what people don't realize is sort of the behind-the-scenes work that realtors actually do when we put boots on the ground. Example one would be previewing properties in person. Oftentimes the internet can be misleading as to the physical location of the property and its proximity to higher density usages, commercial usages being much closer to the property than the internet might reveal. The second thing that's very important is that realtors do specialize in certain communities. And that specialization, while is sort of imitated by the internet websites, there's no substitute for actually knowing the neighborhood. There's also a significant number of what we call properties that are ready to be listed and are not yet there. I'm now going to wrap this version up, and we're going to go to a segment 2 that will follow directly after this. Again, Matt Hunzeker, National Real Estate Law Group.